Hey you all, welcome back. Day 4 of my 100 days posting challenge, and there's something I need to warn you all about real quick. And it's about the next 96 days. So some days might be normal, while other days might not. Because I'm going to be switching things up, experimenting on a lot of things, and I'm going unpredictable. So if you think you know what's coming, trust me, you don't. Because you don't expect me to sit at the front of the camera for 100 days and just talk, because that shit is already getting boring. Some days might be normal, some days might be extreme, and some days might be crazy. I'll post things completely unexpected. Different style, different tune, different energy. This challenge isn't just all about posting. I've said that countless times. It's about pushing my creativity and my mindset to the limits. So expect new ideas, random experiments, deep conversations, wild creativity, and moments that will make you think, is this guy crazy? You all better know, I'm not staying in one box. I'm exploring. Motivation might get louder, delivery might get bolder, editing might get crazier, and the content, it might go from chill to intense to funny to deep quick shit. You better know that. But here is the key. The message remains the same. It's all about growth, creativity, mindset, and consistency. Just pushing myself out of my comfort zone and seeing what's possible when you commit for 100 days straight. It's my time, it's my life, and I make all the rules. So I have total control over these 100 days. So if you like watching content that keeps you guessing, if you like watching people evolve in real time, then stay tuned. Because the next 96 days, they might just get a little crazy, bold and unpredictable in the best way. And I want you right there with me. So buckle up, turn on notifications, and don't blink, because anything can happen in the next minute. Let's make this journey unforgettable. See you tomorrow.